Hey people, well this video is especially for Brian Binkley or Rustybearing45. Yeah, I said his name right this time. Didn't know whether it was really produced as Brian or not, but now I know that it is. Well, this fan will be going to him. This is a Lakewood model P-223 from presumably 1980. Yes, I did show another one. That one was from 1981. Well, this one, as you can see, has the box. But not only the box, but the little instruction pamphlet. So I think we'll look at the box first. Yeah, Lakewood 20-inch 3-speed portable electric fan, model P-223. Yeah, it's presumably, yeah, it is an older one than the one that other one that I have, because as you can see, it's still got the illustration of a first-gen Lakewood on there. So this is a case of what you see on the box is not what you get in the package. There are all the features. Pause the tape if you want to read this. It's a breeze to keep cool this summer. Yeah, the top of it's seen better days. Especially if you look at this section here. And the sides and the back, is what the side of it looks like. The sides are about the same. It's got this little shipping information tag, but a lot of stuff on there is faded out. And the back, of course, is the same. Here's the little instruction thing. How to get the best results from your fan. Manufactured by Lakewood Engineering, etc., etc. Let's see what we got here. How your fan works, where to locate the fan. Night cooling, automatic thermostats. Some diagrams. Examples of how to get the best results. So you got pilot lights, cleaning, care of the motors, blah blah blah. Oh, you can read over when you get you can read over this thing when you get it. When you get the fan. Okay, enough of all that. Let's have a look at the fan itself. Looks very much like the one from 1980 that I have. The reason I'm giving it this one is because, well, I already have a P-223 with the box. That's the later one. Well, slightly later version. But I do have another one like this with the sparkly sticker. That one's from 1981, which you've seen. And here's the side. It's that light almond color, or beige. Here's the other side. There's the motor. I can't really make out the date code on this one, but it looks to say it's from 1980, so I'll go with that. Back around. Here's the top. And yes, the famous words of Esky Wolf, it's got the sparklies! Sparklies! Yay! So here we go with high. Medium. Low. And low on this is pretty much nice and low, but the grills really seem to rattle on low on this fan. Back to high. And as always, OFF spells off. So this is it, Brian. This is the Lakewood model P-223 that's going to you, with the original box and instruction pamphlet. So, hope you enjoy the video, and hope you enjoy this, and to Brian, hope you enjoy this fan when you get it. So, thank you for watching, everybody.